This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish oil from fish using an easy method. First, select fresh, fatty fish such as salmon or mackerel. These yield the most oil. Next, clean and gut your chosen fish thoroughly, removing all scales and internal organs. Finally, cut the fish into small, manageable pieces, ideally about 1-inch cubes, to ensure even cooking and maximum oil extraction. This preparation is key for a successful batch. Now, let's cook the fish gently. Place your prepared fish pieces into a pot and add just enough water to barely cover them. Simmer this mixture over very low heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You will notice the oil beginning to separate and rise to the surface. It is crucial to avoid boiling, as high temperatures can unfortunately degrade the valuable omega-3 fatty acids, reducing the quality of your homemade oil. Keep it low and slow. With the fish cooked, it's time to extract the pure oil. Carefully strain the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Gently press down on the solid fish pieces to squeeze out any remaining oil and liquid. Once the strained liquid has cooled sufficiently, you will observe the oil forming a distinct layer on top. Skim this separated oil off carefully, leaving the water behind. Finally, proper storage is essential to maintain the quality of your fresh fish oil. Pour the extracted oil into a clean, airtight glass container. You can store this homemade fish oil in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks to ensure maximum freshness. For extended preservation, consider freezing the oil in smaller, individual portions. This method helps prevent spoilage and keeps your beneficial omega-3 rich oil ready for use whenever you need it. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.